about our school's infrastructure. Our school is having very big infrastructure. Come, let us visit. Let us visit our science lab first. The school has well-equipped laboratories for physics, chemistry, and biology. Students are encouraged to use these laboratories to learn through experiments. Every year, latest instruments, specimens, charts, etc. are purchased. For these laboratories, while we are learning practically, we can understand the concepts clearly. Thank you, ma'am. 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 Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
Is my voice audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See here, these are the apparatus. See, these are the apparatus we will use to learn practically, isn't it? These are the chemistry tables where we find the salt. Which salt is this? These are the apparatus used for that, isn't it? As Kanisha told, we are having so many charts, isn't it? We are having so many charts related to your subjects. For each and every topic, we are having charts here. And we are having equipments, modern equipments, innovative equipments are there, isn't it? And see here, I hope it is visible to you all. These are the specimens. Are you able to see the specimens? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. These are the specimens where we have studied about this in biology, isn't it? Especially in zoology, right? See here, think like a proton and stay positive. Yes, this is our motto. Always be positive. Don't give up and at any time, right? See here, we are having charts of light and color, work and simple machines. We are having so many charts here as consciously told. We are having all the apparatus here. See? Are you able to see all the apparatus? See, these are the charts about sound. This is about friction. Now see here. Are you able to see this? This is actually
Yes, ma'am.
the phases of moon. This was done by our students. Your seniors has done this. Okay, these are the phases of moons. See how clearly they have explained here. They have put it in this chart from full moon day to no moon day, isn't it? By seeing this, it is very clear how the moon grows and it decreases, isn't it? We are able to understand by seeing this. See, in geography, you may have learned about different landforms, isn't it? This is the chart about different landforms. Blood cells in zoology and botany, you might learn about cells, isn't it? Blood cells. There are two types of blood cells. One is white blood corpuscles, WBC, and one is red blood corpuscles, RBC, isn't it? See here, I don't know more thing about biology. See, now children, I am going to show you the skeleton. I think you all have learned there are 206 bones in the skeleton, isn't it? See here, by seeing this, we are able to count all the 206 bones here, isn't it? Can you count? Yes, we can count it by saying the skeleton, and it will never forget from our mind. Okay, if we count and find that 206 bones are there in our body, it will be never forget from our mind, isn't it? See here, these are the chemistry tables. As I told you already, here only we will find what salt is this. In your practical examination, you might be given one type of salt and you have to find what salt is that by seeing the characteristics, right? These are the apparatus for them. Okay. I hope you all enjoyed visiting the science lab after
Yes,
a
ma'am.
long break. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, this is the simple balance. See here, actually, the simple balance is stable now. Both the sides are equal. But if we put one heavy object or one heavy thing on one side, it will come down, isn't it? This is the character of physical balance. And I hope you all enjoyed visiting this. Shall we move to the next place?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, these are the physics apparatus where we find the volt of one thing, isn't it? How many volts is this? Daniel cell is here. See here, pendulum is hanging, isn't it? Okay. Shall we move to the next place?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Where
ma'am.
we can go? Shall we move to the computer lab now? Yes, we will move. Come. See here, in front of each and every classroom, we are having colorful flowers, isn't it? See, it is very pleasant to see. We are having plants in front of each and every classroom. How colorful the flowers are. See. Okay, now we'll move to the computer lab. Actually, we are having our computer lab in the right side wing, isn't it, ma'am? The yellow flowers attract all of us. Okay. Now I'm to enter the computer lab. Who is ready? I think Aruna Lakshmi, can you describe about our computer lab, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to enter. Yes, I mute myself now. Just chat. Our computer tutor is here. Yes.
Good morning, everybody. I am Aruna Lakshmi of grade 8. My friend Kanisha described about our school science lab. Now come, let us visit our school computer lab. Our school computer lab
Louder,
has a...
louder, please, ma'am. Aruna Lakshmi. Little
Okay,
bit
ma'am.
louder. Okay.
Okay. Good morning, everybody. I am Aruna Lakshmi of grade 8. My friend Kanisha described about our school science lab. Now come, let us visit our school computer lab. Our school computer lab has a great many utilities which help us in understanding the various aspects of subjects. Computers are used in almost every walk of life. Actually, we live in a time where everything is largely dependent on the use of computer. They have a wide varieties of application in science, education, defense, business, and many other sectors. My school computer lab is very special because it incorporates a great many essential and useful features itself. Come on. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, Aruna Lakshmi.
Thank
You
you,
have
ma'am.
said very well. Thank you. I think now we can enter into our now, children, before entering into the sports room, I wish to enter into Chairman sir's room. Okay, we will get blessings from you. Okay, ma? Are you all ready?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children, I am entering into the Chairman sir's room now. Good morning, sir.
Good morning to all. Fatima.
Yes, sir. Or able.
Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are fine. Hope you will do the something. So a lot of achievements in upcoming year. So my always my wishes and blessings with you all. So இந்த வருஷம் இன்னும் நம்ம சிறப்பா நம்மளுடைய achievements educational and academic and then non-academic performance நிறைய நம்ம கொடுக்கணும். So நிறைய scholarships and then நிறைய benefits நான் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். டீச்சர்ஸ் எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணிருப்பான்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அவங்க ஸ்கூலை மிஸ் பண்ணணுங்கிற ஃபீல் இருக்கக்கூடாது அப்படின்றதுனால தான் இன்னைக்கு இந்த விர்ச்சுவல் ஸ்கூல் டூர் நம்ம பண்ணியிருந்தோம். ஸோ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட் மை எப்பயுமே என்னுடைய விசஸ் உங்க எல்லாரும். தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you so much, sir. Children, we got our Chairman sir's blessings now. I hope you all will be happy, isn't it? With
Yes,
this
ma'am.
encouragement, we are starting our grade 8 now, right? Shall we enter into the sports room now? Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'm walking through the corridor to our sports room now. On this way, I wish to tell why we choose our school. There are so many schools in this area, isn't it? Why we choose the school? What is the specialty of our school? Do you know? Are you all eager to know that? Okay. I'm going to so many benefits given by our school in the next session because it will take more time because that much benefits are given by our school. Okay. It will take a long time to say that. Right? I'll explain clearly all the benefits given by school to you all. I hope you all will enjoy that benefits by proving yourself, right? Are you able to identify what is this? Yes, what is this, children?
Sports room.
Yes, very good. Sports room. I'm going to enter into the sports room. See, by seeing the wall itself, we are able to identify, yes, this is the sports room. Without seeing the board, we are able to identify this is the sports room by seeing the wall itself. Fantastic work done by us, sir. See how beautifully he has drawn. Superb, sir. I know that you also will draw like this. You all are very good artists, isn't it? Okay, now I entered into the sports room now. First of all, I wish to start from these. These are the awards actually we got by participating in the Olympiad. Okay. See here. Though you are not coming to the school, see how hockey bats are sleeping inside the sports room. And carom boards slide to the wall. Isn't it? They all miss you, children. See here. Sorry. This is what majestically our school people leader will bring on the day. Isn't it? On every function, every important day, our school people leader will bring this. See here, we are having the set of Olympiad students for the year 2017-18. See, these are our achievers in the period of 2017 and 18. See here. These are our state level karate players. 2018-19 batch. Right? In this time, I am very happy to remember all these children. See, Olympiad 2018-19. These are the participants. State level skating students. I hope you all enjoy playing skating, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. These are the state level skating players, 2018-19 batch. Yes, our PT sir had drawn how we have to make the knee catch while playing kabaddi, right? Apart from this, we are having archery also, isn't it? These are our state level archery winners for the year 2017-18. Okay. These are the cones we will use while playing skating. See, all the playthings are sleeping inside this cupboard without you all, isn't it? They all miss you, children. I hope you also miss all these things in your home, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you are able to remember this? This is the Olympic torch.
Yes, ma'am.
Our chief guest will lighten this in the sports day, right? Dumbbells we will use in the mat for doing exercises in the sports day. See, all your skating things or sleeping inside. Yeah, table tennis. Right. In the last session, I have stopped here only. Were you able to see this? What is this? As these are the bands we will play in all the function, right? That is our pride. You are excellent in March Past and playing this band, right? We already have got words from so many chief guests that your students have played very well this band and doing the march was perfectly. How an army man will do, like that our children also will do, right? Okay. I hope you all enjoyed on visiting this sports room, isn't it, children? Have you all enjoyed? Yes? Okay. Now I think we'll move to the conference hall, right? Shall we move? See, this is the center wing. In this side only we are having our library, right? Library is the place where you improve your knowledge, where you develop your knowledge, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We are having thousands of books here. Okay. See here. This is our unforgettable place, library. Without you all, it is very silent here, isn't it? Okay, now I move to our conference hall and then we will enter into the meeting hall. Okay, children? I think our aunties have maintained all these plans very well. Now, Jaypriya ma'am is here. Shall we
Good morning, dear. All of you. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Have a nice day. இதே மாதிரி எல்லா நாட்களும் இந்த இயர் ஃபுல்லா நல்லா தொடங்கணும், சீக்கிரம் ஸ்கூல் திறக்கணும்னு வேண்டிக்கங்க. ஓகேவா? Thank you so much, dear.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your blessings. Shall we see Nirmala ma'am, the foundation of our school, isn't it? Starting from junior KG.
Good morning, baby.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Yes, I'm walking. To the conference hall now. Yes, I am now. Here are so many books all waiting for you. Yes. Aruna Lakshmi, can you describe this? Okay, we'll enter into the meeting hall. Afterwards, we can describe. Okay, Aruna Lakshmi.
Okay, ma'am.
See here. Without any meeting, so many books are waiting for you all. See, they are eagerly waiting for you. I think you also waiting for them. Successfully, you have started today. We will achieve by using these books, right? Yes, this is the conference hall where we entered. Now, I'm going to enter the admin room just opposite to this hall. Before entering into the admin, I wish to show Bala sir.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, good morning, sir.
So, in this academic year, hope you will achieve a lot with the help of your parents as well as teachers. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay, now I'm going to enter the admin room. Okay, now I'm entering into the admin. See here. See? Now you all have bags, isn't it? Don't carry any bags, any books. You all are very free now. But that will be boring after some, isn't it? Am I right now? See? New books. Oh, waiting. Filled with your books. Eagerly waiting for you all. Notebooks. Everything. See here. Oh, on seeing from this, I found that Teresa has come. Let us get wish from Teresa. Okay, shall we? Fine. Okay. So you wish we'll get his blessings. Okay. Wait a minute. I just enter. I'm going to enter into Teresa's room. Yes, children, I have entered our sir's room. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, children. How are you?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
All are doing good? Hello, you all have come to a new class, new academic year. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I wish you all the success. Do well, study well, be obedient to your parents. Don't go out unnecessarily. Don't go to the market, public places. Be safe, study well. Okay? Be a good
sir.
okay, sir. It's my wishes. Thank you.
Surely, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
Okay. Now I'm moving outside. I'm going to enter our garden, which is
Ma'am,
we.
ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Meeting.
Tanisha.
meeting hall.
Yes, I have to. Shall we complete our playground?
Yes, ma'am.
visiting the playground. Okay, then I'll move to the meeting hall. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
right. See, with our children, these all are very free. How sadly they are. I think your old memories will come to your mind.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
you all played here, isn't it? We are having an auspicious, an excellent, marvelous garden. Because of rain on today's before, the plants are green, very pleasant to our eyes, isn't it? I think they are also very happy for this academic year, so that only they have given so many flowers, bright flowers. Yes, I have completed the garden. Now I wish to enter into the playground, where we will conduct our all the matches: basketball, volleyball, running, isn't it? We will conduct all these things here only, isn't it, ma? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kanisha, can you say about this? What's your opinion? What's your experience?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Uh, Good morning, everyone. I'm Kanisha Sri. Come, let us visit our school's playground, where we usually visit in the break time. The school playground provides a safe outdoors environment within the school that children to use these creative energy in healthy interaction with one another. Our school has very large open playgrounds with interesting play equipment that leaves many options for creating. Here we are able to use the play equipment, run on the field, jump rope, play basketball, or create some new game to challenge with friends.
Yes, Kanisha, what you have said is very correct. This is the place where we challenge our friends. Okay, though they are our friends, we will challenge them. If it sports means, we will be very active. Okay, lot of creative ideas will come inside us, isn't it? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
children. Yes, thank you so much, Kanisha. Now, again, I enter into the school and going to the meeting hall, right? Where all our meetings will be conducted, right? On seeing the entrance itself, we are very happy. Such an excellent building. Along with you, I'm also very much happy on visiting our school. Yes, this was put by our Sudha auntie. See how beautifully she has drawn. All the mountain threads, including aunties also artists, isn't it? As I'm moving to the meeting hall now. Here only we connected all our meetings. And also sometimes we do our exhibitions also here, isn't it? I think it is not yet open because there is no meeting here, isn't it? Wait a minute. I just try. First of all, I enter into the dance room, then I come back to this. I think within that period, it may open, isn't it? Okay. Now I'm going to the upstairs, to the dance room, activity room, and yeah, classrooms. Okay. Children, I think they are able to see. This is the reception area. Whenever you enter, your parents, your relatives enter, they will be waiting here. And first of all, they will inquire in the reception only. After they allow, then only they will enter, isn't it? Yes, that is the main area. We can't forget all those things. In the dance room, we will be able to see our whole body, isn't it? That will be very pleasant. Yes, children, now I enter into the meeting hall. Yes, last meeting was connected here. This is our meeting hall. I wish Arna Lakshmi to say something about our meeting hall. Arna Lakshmi, can you?
Yes, ma'am. Come on, friends, let us visit our school meeting hall. The school has an aesthetically appealing and spacious meeting hall. river riding with ideas during knowledge sharing sessions, parents and teachers meeting, debates, workshops, and seminar are conducted here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Aruna Lakshmi. Yes, this is our meeting hall. This is the important thing. That is ESP, Image and Student Profile, isn't it? Okay. To our school, we know that to all us, sky is not the limit. It is the beginning. Isn't it, children? Yes. Sky is not the limit. It is the beginning. We will achieve apart from that also. In this great day, I wish to share the benefits of our school offering to you all. Shall we know about their benefits? Then only you also can enjoy them. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See here. If you have participated and won, okay, if you have participated, I think the screen is visible to you all, right? Yes. See here, our school has offered 50% scholarship. Okay, to whom? For the national level award winners in sports and also in academics. Right? Whatever you have participated, either it is sports or it is academics, if you have participated and won prize in national level, means national level, our school is offering 50% scholarship. Okay, this is very great. I think no other school will offer this much. We are giving. Our management has announced 50% of scholarship, right, for the national level award winners. Then only for the national level? No, for state level also they are offering 35% of scholarship. Okay. Not only the state level, for the district level also they are offering 25% concession in the fees. Okay, ma? If it is conducted by and reputed company or registered organization, means surely you will also enjoy all these benefits. Okay, will you? By participating and winning all these things, you may reduce the burden of your parents, who is working very hard for you all. Okay, if you want to do something for them, participate in any district level, state level and national level competitions, win the competition and get the benefit of our school, that is 25%, 35% and 50% of concession for the district level, state level and national level award winners, both in sports and academics. Will you do, children?
Yes,
Second
ma'am.
goal, you have to achieve this and you are going to get the scholarship, right? Okay. Not only this, we are having so many benefits, that is from day one onwards. If you are scoring 95% in all the exams, okay, in monthly test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, everything, if you score 95%, above 95 and 95% marks, means 100% free for you for the next year. Okay, after keeping one eligibility test, if you pass in that, and you should in that eligibility test, what is the eligibility? First of all, you have to score 95% and above from day 1 onwards till the end of the year. That is up to your yearly exam. You have to score 95%. Then you will be eligible to write the test. And if you pass in the test, 100% free. That is, you'll study free for the whole year. Okay. Yes. This is the Max lab. I came to the upstairs, but I'm not able to open it. I miss the visual and performing and arts room also. This is the room I like very much. It is closed because you are not here to dance inside the room, isn't it? Okay. This is our first floor. Here we are having our classrooms, isn't it? This is our first floor corridor. Along this only we are having all our classrooms of higher classes from grade 6 to 10, right? Okay. Not only these benefits, children, we have so many benefits. That is, school is offering training for National Talent Exam. Okay, NTE. For that, they are giving training. And for grade 8, Rashtriya Military College training is also be given. If you have passed in that exam means, you will be able to place in a reputed military college where you can study fully free, okay, of no cost, right? There are so many ways to achieve, children. There are so many ways to get the benefits, okay? All is in your hand. The only thing you should do is you have to cooperate along with our teachers and with the school and put all your effort, score high marks, achieve yourself. Okay, all the rewards will be come to you automatically. Okay. Yes, now I come down. Now I'm going to the stage because this is the very, very important place. Where we share all our thoughts, okay, where we prove all our skills, isn't it? On walking to the stage itself, we feel very proud, right? You will be also able to remember things. Yes. Okay, as I told you already, I need to share why we have chosen this. Why you have chosen this? Can you say? Yes, I wish to say because why students are choosing this? Because Mount Literacy Secondary School Sivagangai is a school where everybody cares about each other. It's a school with difference. It's a school where students, teachers, and staff to make a difference in the world and where inquiry, empowerment, dreaming, or framed with joy. Okay, simply studying is not a matter. If we do think with enjoyment, surely it will feel right. Yes, this is right school in the education. See, this is the ground floor, backside the stage wings. School gives sports and physical fitness training. Also, it provides extracurricular activities. Not only extracurricular activities, it gives moral and spiritual development. This is the only school regularly communicate with parents. This is the school offers so many benefits for the students in their payment based on various aspects, isn't it? Thank you, Mount Literacy Senior Secondary School, Sivagangai. Okay. I think you are very much happy in visiting the school. Our aunties are having their breakfast now only, right? Okay. The notice boards are waiting for you. I hope you all enjoyed very much on visiting our school, ma'am. Or you also have enjoyed very much along with you. Okay. Once again, I wish you all the very best in this academic year 2021-2022. Yes, this is the ladies' staff room. That is, all our female staffs will be here. If you want to meet them in the break time, you'll come here, isn't it? Okay. So I'm very glad to welcoming you all to this auspicious academic year. I'm your class in charge for this year. Are you all happy? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I hope you all know very well about me. I'm Chandralekha, handling maths 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right? I'm the class in charge for you for this year. Okay, I'm heartily welcome you all to this class, to this academic year. I hope you all prove yourself in this year. Okay. Can you give me the chance? Yeah, can you give me the moment that I can proudly say that I'm the class in of grade 8? Can you give that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you all have to achieve yourself. I'm eagerly waiting to see all your skills, all your developments, everything. Okay, thank you so much, children. We'll see back in the next session.
So much, ma'am.
Have you all enjoyed?
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am.
If you want. Okay, everybody, you can start your video. Yes. Hi, Aruna Lakshmi. What happened? I have given the spotlight. Okay.
Yes,
Welcome
ma'am.
to the class. Hi, Aruna Lakshmi.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Fine, ma. Very fine. Okay, shall we call another? Harshan Pandi. Actually, Harshan Pandi is new to our school. Hi, Harshan Pandi.
Hi, ma'am.
I think today only you have visited the whole school because after joining in the school, you have not yet come to school, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, ma. Have you enjoyed the day?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma. I wish everybody to prove yourself. Now, I wish to call upon Hasini. Hi, Hasini. How are you?
Hi, ma'am. Fine,
Are
ma'am.
you fine? Okay. After a very long break, I'm seeing you all, and I'm very much happy. This. Shall we call another? Kanishastri. Kanishastri, I am able to see her often in the school, isn't it? Hi, Kanishastri.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
I hope, children, you all will get all the benefits in this year.